Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to create dependent drop-down list in Excel. This is a perfect for situation where the option in one drop-down depends on what you selected in other, like choosing a material and then there's a test parameter. Let's get started. Dependent drop-down. A dependent drop-down means the second list, that is a test parameter, change based on the first selection, that is a material. For example, if I pick this material, it will give only that parameters. First, set up our data, create a column. First column is a material, then test parameter. For the material, it is easy to create the drop down. Go to the data validation, list, source, choose a column material, click OK. You will get the drop down for the material. If you try to create a drop down for this parameter, go to the data validation, select list, choose a source, click OK. You will get all the records. In this record, I want for this material only that much parameter. Then how will we get? Convert this range into table. Let's define the few parameters to evaluate the final result. Go to the formula, define the name. First we will define this parameter, that is a material. Define name, write the name data material, click OK. Then we'll define this material for the exact row, click equal to, and we will get the table 2 material. Then go to the define name, write value output material. Now define the third, that is the parameter. Go to the define and data parameter. Click OK. Function we will use, go to the test parameter of the row, count. You will use count function, count if it asking for the range, press F3, the material, then criteria will be wo material, output of material, then press OK. We will get the output count value 4. The next function we will use match function. Match lookup value will be O data material, press F3, select O material, then lookup array will be press F3, data material, click OK. Match type exact match, enter. We will get the output value. The last function we will use offset function. Reference value will be press F3, select D parameter, click OK. Then row will be match value and the column value will be 0. The height will be CountIF value and width will be 1. Close the bracket and we will get the for record. Now the output of this value we have to use in a dropdown. Let's combine all the values. Cut the record, update this formula. The test parameter function will be replaced by the count function, and this value replaced by match function. Output of match function. We have replaced J6 with match value and the parameter with this value, CountIF value. Now press enter, we will get spill value. Cut the whole record, select the range in test parameter, go to the data, then data validation, select the list, paste the value. Now you can see we get the drop-down value. If we select this parameter, material is a concrete, we will get the drop-down for the concrete parameter. That's how we create dependent drop-down list in Excel. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe and share. See you in next video.